Hello, everybody. As you can see here, we have a situation. Antiope was rather eager for her meal, um, and, well, she has grabbed hold of the feeding tongue plier things while one of her meals sits over there untouched. I'm waiting for her to unclench. Wait, there it is. There, finally. I will take. Can I have this? Can I have this? No. Can I have this? Well, I we'll see. If you went back inside of your enclosure, you would find the actual food I had intended for you. However, um okay. Well, that'll do for now. Um hmm. Well, see here now, people. We have a situation. I wonder if I can just like grab this and throw it over there. There we go. Maybe she'll like finally get that and then let go of the uh, tweezer tongue things. Yes. Eat it. Eat it. I know it is a small meal. I have a number one. I have more for you. It's just that's what I'm down to right now. The order is in. Food is coming, but like you're gonna have to take smaller meals for now. So go ahead and eat it and let go of the tongs. Yes. Okay. No. Yes. Okay. Well, I guess we will see if she decides to take it and let go of the tongs. I know it's not moving. It was before you took the tongs and not the mouse. But yeah. Go ahead and yep. Mhm. Mouth is open. There it is. Yep. 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 Well, I certainly can't give you your next ones until you let go of that tong, so I guess we'll just wait for you to decide to do that. Yeah. Well, there you have it, people. I'm just gonna wait for her to finish her first of a few mice, and get the tongs back. All right. Have a good day.